The warning check stop and start in your Renault vehicle has two basic scenarios. In the first scenario, it will be accompanied by some other lights or warnings. For example, it may be the airbag light. In this case, you should check the connectors under the driver's seat and also crash sensors in the doors, or better use a good scanner to see which module malfunctions. Now, the check stop and start warning will disappear once you fix the airbag issue. Or it may be the check engine light or some engine related message that accompanies the check stop and start warning. In this case, the wild guess repair is not a good idea. You need to read the codes and find the reason for the engine problem, and the start-stop issue will begin. In the second scenario, you will only see the check stop and start warning without any other lights. In this case, there are two most likely culprits. First of all, this may mean that the 12-volt battery is about to die and you need to at least charge it, or maybe just replace it with a new one if it's older than 4 or 5 years. The second very common culprit is the F7 fuse in the special battery management module, which is the box with several fuses. The box is located just behind the 12-volt battery in the third generation of Megane. For example, once you disconnect the battery or it goes absolutely flat, the F7 fuse may just be blown, and this will lead to the check stop and start warning. This is the first culprit to check, since it's extremely common and costs about 20 cents to fix, because this is a simple 5 amp fuse in the majority of models.